This video is about the C5 helmet from Schuberth and attaching a Cardo Packtalk bulge unit to the C5 helmet. The C5 helmet comes with a proprietary communication system which I did not want to use, so I decided to attach, using a sticky pad, a Packtalk bulge to my C5 helmet. To attach a Packtalk bulge to a helmet, you require the second helmet kit, which comes with everything you need to attach a second helmet, a Packtalk bulge to a helmet. That is the unit, the Packtalk bulge unit that attaches to the helmet permanently with the cables running through. And you attach the communication unit to it with a simple click. As you can see here, I routed the cables between the neck roll and the helmet. I used a screwdriver to wiggle enough space between the helmet liner and the neck roll so I could pass the cables through to the inside. At the front of the helmet, I used this place where the proprietary microphone would go to route a boom microphone from the Packtalk kit. I had to shave down this rubber plug so that it would fit. I may have to shave it down a little bit more because it does interfere with the closing slightly sometimes, but not always. But as you can see, that worked out quite well. With this helmet, I did have to remove the already installed speakers from the helmet, and that was an easy job, just remove them from the Velcro places next to where the ears go and disconnect them. I then installed the speakers that comes with the Packtalk, and that was the job done and dusted. It all took me around about 30 minutes, but I have done this with other helmets before. The other microphone you can see here is from my Drift Ghost 4K. I just attached that there to the padding of the cheek padding of the helmet with a little piece of Velcro. Behind the speaker here is another microphone that picks up the conversation between me and other riders, assuming that they also have Packtalk.